So I haven't posted a video in a while. Just been busy working on my truck, and it wasn't really anything worth filming. I redid the rear brakes and had some issues, had some air in the lines, had to replace some stuff. Got it all straightened out, but anyway, I've been to the junkyard a couple times lately, and I just got these heads back from the machine shop. I picked these up at the salvage yard. They came off an 84 or 85 Chevy pickup, and these are 305 Chevy 601 casting cylinder heads, and these are probably the smallest chamber 305 heads. I think I have another set of these. I think I had a set in one of my other videos, but while these were nice and clean, I wanted to film them. I had them magnafluxed and blasted at the machine shop, so now they're ready for me to start porting. And I realize this is a waste of time and money, but that's not really the point. I have a 305 in my Chevelle with a solid roller cam. It runs pretty well. The heads on the Chevelle are 450 castings that I did years ago, and I ported them and had 194 valves installed. And it runs really well and everything, but after I got done polishing the chambers on those heads and deshrouding the valves and all that, they ended up at 64 cc's. So the compression ratio on my engine is 9:1. And these heads here have about a 54 cc chamber, give or take. And so I'm going to build these, port these in a similar fashion, and then swap them onto the car this summer, hopefully. So anyway, I have plans for these, and I just want to see what 1-point compression will do to the car. I know what the car runs in the quarter mile, and at some point we'll get back and do some testing and see what 1 point of compression actually does in the quarter mile. So anyway, these heads are nice and clean now. Luckily they had no cracks, and now I can get started grinding. And I've got a bunch of other projects going at the moment too. As it's starting to warm up outside, I'm starting to prepare for summer. I'll be working on my dirt bike this week, getting it ready for riding season. So anyway, sorry for the hiatus, and we'll get back into it here.